Hi, come on in. Welcome to my studio. I'm Hilerie Klein Rensi, the owner and founder of Higher Voice Studio. I know when you think of Higher Voice, you think of our really big 3-story building with teachers and students getting their music lessons and our performance venue, open mic nights and recitals and stuff. But what you might not know is that Higher Voice actually started here in my living room. Now, back then, it was just a space for me to teach in, but now it is shared by my children who take their lessons in here, and our musicians in their own right. Voice lessons happen in here. There are piano lessons, we have music composition, we have drum lessons that happen in here, violin, guitar, impromptu concerts. It's a very busy space. This is where I teach my private online lessons. I have one of my favorite quotes, which was given to me from a student from Sweeney Todd by Stephen Sondheim. Couldn't think of anything more appropriate with the current climate. We have my grandfather's skull, not his actual skull, but the skull that was in his dental practice. It reminds me of him. I loved him so much. And also, it's really easy to help teach technique and placement and anatomy and resonance and all that stuff when you actually have something physical like this to look at. I've got my computer here set up. I miss you guys terribly, but I have been so glad that we've been having Zoom lessons and FaceTime, and so grateful that we've got computers to connect us and keep the music going. So until I see you again in person, I love you. Keep up your beautiful music. I love hearing it. I love seeing you guys every day. As I said, I miss you terribly, and I cannot wait to get back with you in the studio and give you all a huge hug again and make music together again. So take care. I will see you all soon. Bye.